Today, I'm gonna tell you about AirDeck. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. AirDeck is the leader in document communication. Give your documents a personality and provide clarity and connection in an efficient way. The narration platform that lets you add audio, video, and other visuals to feeds and presentations while tracking real-time engagement. Add voiceovers and videos to guide viewers through any document or presentation with a personal touch. Share secure links, track viewer engagement in real time, and streamline your workflow with useful integrations. AirDeck, all you got to do is upload the original file. Your slides are always imported in the same order, so you can get started on your AirDeck right away. Just got to take care of the fun stuff, like recording yourself in this little screen bubble. Now that's an instant video on that slide, which you can move, resize, flip, remix. You can also upload any video you've pre-recorded, whatever you need to add clarity to your presentation. Playing with audio is pretty much the same deal. Use audio or video to create an instant connection with your audience. There's also this super fun laser pointer. You can add it when you're recording audio or video, or use it by itself. Revolutionize your communication. With AirDeck's narrated presentations, users can guide viewers to a clear understanding of content and value. Make your content more dynamic with audio or video narration. AirDeck has too many features, so we'll need to check them out pretty quickly. First up, meet hyperlinking with. This feature you can link any part of your AirDeck so users can easily open websites. Next, there's surveys. This tool works really well at the end of any presentation or PDF. Custom links. That's how you create custom password-protected links to track real-time metrics for you. The analytics dashboard is packed with insights about your PDF and presentations. You can analyze each of your AirDeck engagement rates, hotspot clicks, and completion rates, down to the individual viewer. AirDeck at your business. Custom onboarding, sales demos, sales proposals, employee training, HR and benefits administration. Startup pitches, investor decks, sponsorship decks, presentations, resumes, annual reports, white papers, and ebooks. Use audio or video to narrate documents and presentations so you can guide viewers clearly through your content. You can record narrations directly to each slide to make the process quick, or upload pre-recorded files for more control over the production value. You will also be able to add a laser pointer to your recordings, which lets you direct your audience's attention across each page. Connect your email and social media accounts so you can quickly share your narrated presentations without dealing with bulky file attachments. You can create a custom link to share documents securely, with options to add expiration dates, password protection, and login requirements. You will even be able to display your content on any website, blog, or learning management system by copying and pasting a unique embed code. AirDeck makes it easy to track how viewers engage with your document in real time with slide-by-slide and overall analytics like view time and heat maps. You will be able to view all your metrics on one dashboard, so you can keep track of your views, contacts, surveys, and deck engagement. This platform also supports geolocation. You can personalize your content based on where your audience is located. Integrate with all of your favorite apps and tools to create awesome content that engages your target audience. You can embed videos from Vidyard, Vimeo, and YouTube directly into your presentations. No more links and re-uploads. Upload more than 100 file types to AirDeck, including videos, audio, images, and documents, to give your presentations even more flair. Plus, you can integrate the platform with HubSpot and Salesforce to improve your audience tracking and overall sales workflow. Narrate any document or presentation, share them securely, and track their performance. Share your documents publicly or securely with custom links that let you capture viewer insights. Measure how viewers engage with your documents in real time. AirDeck helps you enhance and securely share your presentations with video and audio narration, all from one simple platform. Turn your documents into experiences. So, click on the link below to AirDeck for an incredible price. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.